Here it is. Turnkey, 3-bed, 2-bath, emerald floor plan with 1 car and a golf cart garage. We're going to take a tour through here. It's $297,000. So you can move right in. Snowbird home. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for watching. 3 things. Check out my book on Amazon if you're thinking about moving here. You can pick up a copy. It's a great resource. You need to start your search to purchase a home on my website, robyncavallaro.com. You can search by section, by price. In the MLS, of course, you know, VLS, you need to look on their site. And if you're looking to come down and stay and you don't buy this one, you can come and stay in Clara's Cottage. That's my rental up in the village of McClure. It's available weekly and monthly, and I even rent it out weekly in season. So if you only want to come down for a week or 2, January, February, March, I'm your girl. All right, let's go on in and check this baby out. Okay, so this is the emerald floor plan. Now, you know, with an emerald, they have a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom. Well, here, so this is the living room. So when you get the 3rd bedroom, you don't have a lanai. Oh, that's my wallet, sorry. Just in case there was a vending machine in here. No, just kidding, just kidding. So they've turned this into a bedroom, but I've seen this spot turned into an office. Oh, here, I'm sorry. I was trying to make that bed look a little prettier. There we go. And that's a queen size bed, has a closet. Carpet in the bedrooms. This is a basic one, rolled vinyl, very economical, but this is super cute. Really nice furniture. Look at that big table. And we're south of 44. This is in the village of Newell. High volume ceiling everywhere. We have the rolled vinyl flooring, gray cabinets, and for Micah, we do have gas. So you have gas for cooking, gas for your dryer, which is in there. I'll show you that. And cooking gas. And tankless hot water. And this is the 1-car garage. I'll take you back in there in a moment. But so this is a galley kitchen. You have a lot of storage space, double sink. And again, this home is turnkey. So everything you see here will come with the home. Very clean. It's barely been used. My buyers purchased it as an investment and for their parents to come stay in, and they're not going to come down anymore. So their loss is your gain, and everything that's in this home comes with it. So really, if you're a snowbird, or gosh, I hate to say it again, but if you're looking for an investment property, you don't have to do anything in here. You know, unless you maybe wanted to paint an accent wall or 2 walls or something just to brighten up a little bit of color, you can do that. You do have a pantry on the side of the refrigerator. And what I like about this floor plan is you do have a lot of room where the washer dryer are. And they put these shelves over here so you can use this as extra storage. Some cabinets up there. I know storage is at a premium, but I'm going to show you out in the garage, and then you're going to take a look at my garage and what you can do with it, because you can pick up so much space like I did. And then the garage kind of feels like a finished room. So this is a patio villa. You have side-by-side bedrooms, and this would be the guest bath with a tub. They do have a handle, so you have assistance getting into the tub. And there's a wall behind here, so you do have some privacy if you wanted to sit out back on the side. You don't have to worry about someone looking in your window. Closet. This is a king size bed. this closet. So this floor plan, they put the air handler inside. So you do pick up a little bit of garage space, but again, this one has the split garage. So you have a 1 car and a 1.5. All high volume ceiling. This is a king size bed, all the furniture, everything comes with it. And it is very tastefully, neutrally decorated. So you could pick up any color you want in here and really just bring out everything. But that light yellow, it's almost like a goldish, I don't know, if you don't like gray, I think if you pulled off of that yellow, maybe, or just there's a little bit of green there. If you put a sage green, that would look really pretty. Bathroom with split sinks. And the shower. Big walk-in closet. And if you're looking for a pre-owned home, I say this in every single video, you know you need MLS and VLS so you see everything. You don't want to pick just one because there may be a home on the opposite side that you missed because you didn't do your research. And if you don't do your research, well, if you're watching my channel, you should know. So I'll just leave it at that. All right, so now Todd's out there taking video or taking pictures. So you have the 1 car garage. This was the owner's closet. Irrigation and the power box, your panel. And this home, we're probably 4 or 5 minutes from SAWGRASS. And then you just hop over the bridge and you can be in EASTPORT in no time. And this is the second garage, so you can see. So normally, if this were the 2-bedroom version where that wall is right there, my finger's pointing at, that would be an enclosed lanai. But there's the 3rd bedroom there. And you know, for some buyers, they want that 3rd bedroom, and you have it here in this floor plan. There's Todd again. And then this is your side of the home. All right, I gotta get out of his way because we have one more today. The other patio villa that has the view and the moonstone. Let's take one more quick peek around inside of this emerald 3-bed, 2-bath, turnkey home in the village of Newell. Very cute. Very cute, very affordable, $297,000. That is a great buy. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. Thanks for watching this episode, and check out this other video I have coming up. I think you might like it. All right, until next time, I'll see ya. Finding a good rental is hard. Well, I have the answer for you. This is my rental in the village of McClure. I call it Clara's Cottage. It's named after my granddaughter. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. The floor plan is an opal. It has a large kitchen, fully stocked, pots, pans, dishes, coffee maker, utensils, knives, dishes, forks, spoons, glasses, bowls, everything you need to prepare a meal, interior laundry, and workstation with a printer for you to use if you're still working or if you're buying a home and you need to print out a contract. The 2 bedrooms are side by side. This is the primary, king size bed, large closet, ensuite bathroom. Place to put your stuff where you're putting your shoes on maybe. Again, there's a link below, RobynCavallaro.com, if you would like information on how to book Clara's Cottage. It is available for a minimum of 4 days, weekly and monthly, and even weekly in season. So for those of you who are snowbirds are coming down but don't want to come for 4 months or 3 months, Clara's Cottage is your answer. Thanks for watching.